Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name when they were talking.
I wish... Oh, never mind.
Turn right here. You can't miss it.
Stacy, I'm a little nervous.
Well, maybe your grandpa is too. It's been a while since you've seen each other.
Thanks a lot.
Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy. You said I wish.
I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow at shining time. If your grandpa lets you.
Grandpa, this is a friendship bracelet. Grandma taught me how to make one when I was little. This one's for you.
Thank you, Lily.
I'll never forget the first time I saw you. You took my breath away. I said I can't dance, but there I was dancing. I felt like friends.
As the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Muffle Mountain, the engines on Sodor had her very much in their thoughts.
Thomas, I was thinking, how does Mr. Conductor travel here?
By gold dust.
But if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway, too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
Oh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he travels here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Ooh, my wheels are suddenly feeling very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said.
Oh, no.
I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.